I'm going to do a little walkthrough of a boat I've been working on here. There's the whole armrest, cup holder, knife holder, pliers, storage box, cup holder unit. Another dash piece with the handles built right in. I decided to add another cup holder unit to the other side of the boat. This one sits tighter to the wall, so the knife box had to go behind. Notched around the speaker. And we go down. Here's a shelf unit with a rod rack built underneath of it. They decided it was okay to put the butt of the rods through the wall here. Not sure what they're doing with this area yet. There's an extra piece of trim I made to fix a boo-boo. And then the storage closet. I found a dead spot when I took this wall out to reupholster it. So we went and made it usable. Alright guys, and that's it for this one. Time to wrap it up.